Here's the finishing straight. Got this little tricky hill, and it's marked and taped off. This is like pit row. Got a little hill finish and then hard right over the timing mat. And I'm gonna run over Buddy, but it's a nice pathway. Cool finishing straight. Neat place for all the tents to be set up. Not a great sprint, but you just gotta make this hard right. And I can't go through it because I got my timing chip on. And there's Tim at the mic. This is registration. Parking lot filling up. There's neutral support, Roswell bikes, dirty spokes. There's the podiums. After you go through the finishing tent, you come up here and take a hard right onto the road or off the road where the arrows are. In the opening lap goes up the road, but all the continuing laps turn here and take the trail. So it'll be strung out by here. So just show you around the park a little bit, and that the parking lot is filling up. This is usually the mountain bike parking up here on the hill. It looks full. And of course, this is the regular parking. It seems full. People are parking up and down the road. Yeah. There's the gate. But some people have their tents up here. And I guess that's a bike shop, Suburban Cycles. But this is the biker parking lot. And Raymond, hey, good morning. This is the tool stands, bathrooms. No trail starts from here though. They have EV chargers over here. Pretty cool. Nobody using them, sadly. And we'll cut down here. We don't get run over. Yeah, everybody's getting here late. Registration cuts off. Actually, right now. But yeah, this is a full park. I mean, here's the lake right behind the interpretive center where we come in the opposite direction, the finishing straight. I'm just going to take you over here to the bridge, the wooden, I don't know if it's wood or not, but fake wood, which is really cool. And thankfully it didn't rain, so it's not slick. Real scenic, especially this time of the morning. And as usual, I think I overdressed. It's yeah, that's pretty. There's a lot of people fishing yesterday, some people fishing now. So once you pass this last dirt road, it's downhill to flat all the way over to the finishing pathway, which is, I think, is slightly uphill. Of course, it's well marked. Saw some guys out here warming up just a minute ago. There are a few embedded rocks you got to look out for, but like that, these two here could be bad. But here's a little cut through. It's good to know. Some more rock sticking up, but pretty smooth, fast, especially if you're trying to pass somebody before the end. A little tighter on the bridge, especially if there are pedestrians out here, because the park is still open. I see it's a little slick, but you're not turning. People fishing already. And you're going to take a right up here and go behind the interpretive center, which we showed a little while ago. And he's got this well marked. Like extra well marked. I guess people have missed it in the past. Some more rocks in the trail. Nothing terrible. And then, and I missed the turn. Now we're at the starting trail. Well, actually you start on the road and skip this spot, but this is the start of the single track. And so after your first lap, you'll stay on this single track section and connect to where it crosses the first road, I believe. So I mean, the road is just right up there next to us, but pretty smooth single track. There's part of the trail crew. I'm gonna turn around and go back for the racer meeting.
Okay, so you can get ready for the race. Again, 2 minutes and I'll have that racers meeting. That'll be 8:30. I'll take about 5 minutes of your time and then I'll let you guys go.
Racers, if I can get y'all's attention, we'll go and get started. First and foremost, as always, thank you all for being a part of what we've got going on. This is the Dirty Spoke 6-hour, 3-hour mountain bike race. If y'all will, give yourselves a giant round of applause, guys. Racers, really appreciate you guys making the adjustment from yesterday to today's race. We appreciate it. Anybody out there that was raced in the very first Dirty Spokes race in 2006, if you guys are around, raise your hands real quick. Thank you guys. If y'all will, give those guys a giant round of applause. That is awesome. Racers, when we started this 20 years ago, we were only looking at one race. We weren't even looking down the road at 20 years later, so this is pretty nice. We appreciate you guys coming out and supporting us, whether you're racing that first race or you're racing one of many throughout the years. Giant shout out and thanks to Fort Yargo State Park for allowing us to race out here today. Huge shout out and thanks to all of our sponsors. Roswell Bicycles, if you get a chance and you need any neutral support, Richard from Roswell Bicycles is out here. He can help you guys out before, during, or after the race. Tifosi Optics, ESI Grips, Chateau Lawn, Georgia State Parks, Dawn Designs, Nick's Tank Company, VIP Family Dentistry, as well as Sunbelt Rentals. If y'all will, give those guys a giant round of applause. Racers, and huge shout out and thanks to Jason Cash and the Yargo Trail Crew. They've done an amazing job getting these trails ready for you guys today. They are all dialed in and they are sweet. They're covering all the road crossings out there today, as well as that parade lap. When we start out today, I'll start you guys out same as we've always done over the last 3 or 4 years. Here, we've been doing it here. The staging area is in this area. I'm going to ask you guys to get your bikes lined up in here about 8:48 or 8:45, 8:50. And then at 9 o'clock, I'll pull each wave out onto the road, and we'll send you guys out. When you take off down the road, it's right at 0.85 tenths of a mile to start the race out. My laps are right at 9.73 on my bike. That first lap will be shorter because you're going to be on the road. When you take off out on the road, you're going up to the stop sign. You'll be turning right at the stop sign. Then you'll head down that road. I've got a course marshal that's out in the middle of the road. He'll turn you guys to the right, and then you'll turn left and tap into the trails at the Willoway Road crossing. If you're familiar with the course out here. Again, that first lap will be shorter. It's going to be on the road 0.85 tenths of a mile. That'll thin you guys out, and then you'll get into the woods. I've got 2 on-course medics that'll be rolling around the course throughout, so if something happens out there, London and Dan will be out there on the course, and they are 2 on-course medics if anything happens out there on the course today. Racers, your timing chip that you got from today is a Dirty Spokes timing chip on our plates, if you will. This is the series finale for the Chain Buster series. Please do not use their plate or their timing chip. Keep our timing chip on the back side of your race plate. When you come across, we'll get a chip time from you as well as a manual backup, so we'll need to make sure we see that plate out in front. If something happens throughout the morning and you've got a question for the timing table, do not walk your bikes back over there near the timing mats. Leave your bikes on this side away from the timing mat. The only time that timing chip goes across there is if you're finishing a lap. When you're coming in on your laps, we will be coming across the giant wooden bridge. When you come across the wooden bridge, I've got cones on the other side of the bridge. I've got sidewalk chalk on the other side of the bridge. You'll turn hard right coming off the bridge behind the visitor center, and then you'll loop up the sidewalk, and then you'll come through the finish area. You are welcome as a solo to pit before the timing, before the finish line, or after, whichever one you want. If you pit after it and you stay at your pit for a couple minutes or 10 minutes, 20 minutes, do not come back, or you don't have to come back across the timing area to check back in and go again. When you're done pitting, just head out on a second lap. You guys that are on a team transitions will take place at the end of the finish chute down here by that red car. Please keep your bikes down there. I've got 2 cones that I'll put out. That'll be the transition area. As your teammate comes across the finish line for the teams, do not take off until they get to you. Once they're even with you and they get to you, then you can take off out on your lap. But again, don't take off until they get over to you. Once they cross the finish line, wait until they get up here to you. Transition area will be down there on that end. The waves, we're going this way. At 9 o'clock will be the start of the 6-hour race waves. 9 o'clock is the open and single speed. 9:01, Sportmaster 6-hour. 9:02, 6-hour Grandmaster, Ultramaster, Hero. 9:03, base 6-hour in Clydesdale. 9:04, 2-person teams. 9:05, 3-person teams. 9:10, 3-hour wave starts. That's open at 9:10. 9:11, 3-hour single speed. 9:12, 3-hour Sport Male. 9:13, 3-hour Clydesdale Ultramaster Hero. 9:14, Sport Female. 9:15, 3-hour Base Male. 9:16, 3-hour Base Female. 9:21, 3-hour, Junior Ones hitting 1 lap out there today. You guys that are on a team, if you've got a mechanical out there on the course and you're not going to finish a lap, if you call your teammate back in, they can take off on that next lap. Just come check in. Don't bring your bike over there, but check in. Let us know that you're heading out. Your teammate, when they come back in, do not cross the finish line. But if you're on a team and they have a mechanical out there, or they get a wreck or injury and they can't keep going and you want to take off, you take off, but come let us know that you're subbing in for that next lap. Guys, I'm 8:36 right now. We'll start staging at about 8:45, 8:50. I'll start pulling you out there on the street at 9 o'clock for the 6 hours. Have fun today. Thank you. If you are part of the very first original race, come down here for 2 minutes, if you will. I want to get a quick picture with you guys. Anybody that was part of the original race in 2006, come over real quick. The rest of you guys, enjoy the day. Appreciate you.